Alright, we are live. I need to know if my mic is working today. Yesterday it was not working. But how are you guys doing? We'll see if anyone joins today. But my channel's been getting a few more subscribers, which is pretty cool. I been working hard making these videos, and I'm working hard to make them every day. Yesterday I had a busy day and I had planned on making 2 videos. I didn't end up making the 2 videos, but I will upload those 2 videos today. Actually, I'll upload 3 videos today because I'll upload the market recap from yesterday, and then a video, and then market recap for today. And been doing 3 shorts a day, 2 YouTube videos. But as always, I want to say with these live streams, calling price live is hard for any trader, and I'm still a trader and learning. So if I'm not perfect, please do understand I am still a trader and learning. But the idea is to be right more than you're wrong, and to use your risk management. So when you're watching me trade, try and have risk management. If you take trades, don't take trades at your own risk. But anything I say is not financial advice. And yeah, hopefully my mic's working, so we'll see after this stream is over. So we'll jump right into it. So our prediction for the week's kind of coming true so far. So what I said for the weekly outlook was I was expecting the weekly candle just to push up higher into this area, and this would be like a manipulation move and then a distribution move down for CPI, PPI, and whatever else is on Friday. So today, let's look at news. So today we have no high impact news, so trade at your own risk. I mean, today might be okay to trade, but if you want the highest probability, you should trade on high impact news. But tomorrow should be pretty good. Thursday should be pretty good. So, but I've been noticing I've been doing pretty okay on days that are just regular days for some reason. So I don't know why that is. I've noticed I've predicted price pretty well on those days, which doesn't really make sense because your high impact news days are your higher probability days. But yeah, I guess as I get more experience in the markets, I will know if that's actually the case, if I really am better on high impact news days. I would assume so, but we will have to see. So let's talk about what's going on right now. So first I want to draw the true opens, as I always try and do, just to try and get an idea of the daily profile. So you could see, so my time is in New York time, so this was, and I'll get rid of these in a second, but I just kind of want to see. So this is the daily open. This is the New York True Open. I really hope my mic's working. So, today's kind of hard because on one hand, yes, price is bullish, it's moving higher, but we got some relatively equal lows here. And we're going up above the True Opens. So really, I would need to see some kind of test of some key level, which I was looking at this earlier, and the most obvious key level that stands out to me is this 4-hour mean threshold. So we'll see how price reacts off of this. But I want to see some kind of like SMT or internal sweep at this area, and then inverse back down to the downside, and then potentially target those equal lows. But yeah, this just stands out to me clear as day. It's kind of hard to miss. So you have this giant mean threshold. So we want to see an SMT here, in this area. Four-hour OB mean threshold. So yeah, if we can see some kind of SMT, and then internal sweep, and then inverse back downside, that'll probably be good. But once again, structure is very bullish right now, so I need to see some liquidity form, ideally some trendline liquidity form, and then break back down, because right now things look very bullish, and I'm not gonna jump into anything. So once again, I'm still a trader and learning, so if I'm wrong, take my analysis with a grain of salt. So but you can see exactly what we're talking about is happening. We're pushing up higher. I would probably expect us at least to come up to this mean threshold. I don't know why we wouldn't. There's no other really key levels besides, I guess, this order block is, but the bottom of this order block was right here. You can see we already reacted off of the bottom of the order block. See? So we already had our reactions. Now the next area is this mean threshold. So we will see what happens. I hope my mic is working. We got market open in 8 minutes. But yeah, look at how price came in and reacted off that order block. And you can see what else happened at this order block. This was the mean threshold for the S&P. But you'll notice what happened. High, lower high. And then on the NASDAQ, you had a high and a higher high. And it happened at that order block. So, what happened next? Move down. Crazy. Crazy. So, okay. we're pushing higher, really expecting us to come up to this 4-hour mean threshold. Yeah, I think at the least we will probably come up to that area, but we'll see. Just watching price for now. But yeah, structure is very bullish. Since we know the true opens are below, we're just gonna get rid of everything. And I need to get my charger because my laptop's gonna die. Alright, it's plugged in now. And we are pushing higher. So let's get rid of basically all the noise. I don't really want to have too many lines on my chart. I really just want these relatively equal lows. Because that seems like that stands out to me a lot. These relatively equal lows stand out a lot. Yeah, let's write this down. Relatively equal lows. And then the mean threshold. These are the two things that I want on my chart. Everything else right now to me is noise, but we are looking for some SMT, internal sweep, at this mean threshold, and then, I mean, structure looks bullish, but we'll see. Yep, you can see we're pushing higher. Here we have let's see. We respected this 3-minute fair value gap. So probably get rid of this in just a sec. I don't know why I drew this. Just kind of like showing order flow off, I guess. So 3-minute fair value gap. We're respecting these bullish fair value gaps. You can see this order block was respected. So bullish PD arrays are getting respected. This mean threshold respected. So what are we looking for? We're looking for price to come up into this mean threshold area. We're looking for a high time frame SMT, and then clear inversion back down to the downside. Now, this looks okay. I guess we'll see how this closes, but you can see we swept internal liquidity. Yeah, we swept liquidity. And now you have this 3-minute that's about to inverse. Yeah, I mean, if this closes like this, I think this is fine. I mean, it doesn't look bad. So, what would be this trade? You would need to move your stop loss to break even here. So, since these are like kind of like relatively equal lows, I really would expect these to get hit, and then stop loss would be moved to break even. This would be TP1 and stop loss to break even. So you'd move your stop loss to break even right away. So hopefully it'd be a relatively risk-free trade. I don't know. We'll see how it closes. Okay. Yeah, we're in 3 seconds. We'll see. Yeah, we got the closure. We're good. So this is your entry. All right, stop loss. All right, TP1 hit. Stop loss to break even. Stop loss to break even. Yeah, stopped out. So you can see this was break even trade. Now, how could that have been better? I think if we had a little bit better of a target, could have been better. Cause like, yeah, there's this sell side level. I guess this was fine. Honestly, this was fine. But knowing that we were coming up to the mean threshold, did we need to take it? No. So break even trade. Okay, look, we're running into this mean threshold. So you can see we're reacting off of it. This is also VPR. See how we reacted off that mean threshold so far? So now, yeah, here we go. This, well, we didn't get a sweep, but we are reacting off the mean threshold. No, there's an external gap. Okay. No, we need to see a sweep. We need to see a sweep. I want to see some kind of sweep. If we get a death candle through both of these, possibly. I don't know. Nah. Looks like we're respecting it. See how powerful mean thresholds are? What did I say? What did I say 30 minutes ago? I said, I think price is gonna go up to that mean threshold and then get rejected. Bro, I literally said exactly what was gonna happen. Isn't that crazy? Is it that crazy? Go back and watch the live stream. I said exactly what's gonna happen. It's gonna go up to the mean threshold and then it's gonna react. Oh, yo, this is kind of nice. We just retested this order block. So I'm honestly, I could see us really start to dump here because this retest this order block. Got a change in state of delivery and a break of structure on the 1 minute. Yeah, I think we're gonna dump. I think we're gonna probably, what? What time is it? Oh, 9:40. But I don't see an inversion. I'm not really gonna trade this, but I think we're gonna dump. So we're gonna probably dump straight to these relatively equal lows. Now, yeah, we're gonna dump. There's a freaking fly in my room. It's annoying. What did I say was gonna happen? What's going on right now? We're dumping. Watch, we're gonna dump right to these relatively equal lows too. I wonder if the flies left my room. Now, once again, I'm not taking this trade because it's not my model. But I could see us just start to dump. I could see us start to dump right here. But once again, I'm a trader in learning. Might be wrong. We are coming into this gap down here, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how I always do that. I always press that button and it just goes. Alright, I Not seeing any trades, so so there's this order block, but I'm like, I don't know. These relatively equal lows seem like more significant, I guess. I don't know. This is interesting. But there is this order block. So that is worth noting for sure. Alright. I don't really see anything, so I'm just gonna chill on my bed for a sec. Alright, I see nothing except for us reacting off that mean threshold. It's like the only significant thing I see. check the S&P. Oh. We got, that's the 1 hour. Yeah, I think, so it looks like we pushed into this order block. Sorry guys, I didn't get enough sleep last night. I was so busy. Yeah, we're pushing into that order block. Now we're starting the next move down. Yeah, I didn't get enough sleep. Nothing's happening. I'll be back. So now this is exactly as I was saying. If we can get some kind of SMT here at this mean threshold, this is exactly what I was saying earlier. This is exactly what I was saying. If we get there, if we get an SMT here, where that one of these makes a higher high and one of these makes a lower high, it's exactly what I said at the beginning of this video. And then after we get the SMT, we'll look for an inverse back to the downside, and these relatively equal lows are the drawn liquidity. So yeah, we're looking for an SMT here. So yeah, we're just waiting. Yeah, so in all honesty, I need to follow my rules. I really can't take another trade because I took that one trade, initial trade that was a break even trade, um, and so that I need to follow my rules. That's my one trade for the day. But let's see, where was it? Anyways, yeah, it was right here. I don't think it was a bad trade. It was break even, but um. Yeah, it was. It was take actually hit TP1. It's just, I mean, this is kind of what you expect. This is what you would expect to happen because there's a gap right here. So this gap held. So like, it's not that surprising. So, was it terrible? No, it was fine. But like I got the trade that I took. It wasn't great. It was just there's this gap here, and then boom, we hit these lows, and then straight back up. Oh, but you know what? We are getting an SMT possibly. If we come up here and form an SMT, it's exactly what I said was gonna happen. Alright, we'll just keep watching for now. In the future, um, I need to not take trades like this, cause like, yeah, it's pretty risk free, cause you're gonna get the break even, but I don't know. Is it great? It's not great. I don't know. I think it was fine. I think it was fine. Just annoying. It was fine. Yeah, that trade was fine. It's just happened to be break even. But we are waiting for this SMT. So we'll see what we get. I'll just keep watching for now. Just keep waiting. So just so everyone's aware, we actually did get an SMT at the mean threshold. You can see this high, and you can see this high and this high. So we got an SMT, just not the one that I was expecting. I was expecting this to come up here, form SMT like this, while this formed a lower high, and that did not happen. Yeah, you can see now we're coming back down. I'm very tired today. But I took my break-even trade, so I'm probably gonna call it. But I think these relatively equal lows are gonna get taken at some point soon. So I will see you in the next video. Hopefully, I mean, no one's probably watching right now, but hopefully this video helped you if you watched it. I will see you in the next one.